How to change page URL in Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change page URL in Squarespace. How can you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Squarespace account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in on the site, by the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu, select website. So once you selected website, you'll be taken to the pages page. Now, on this page, the next thing for you to do is to navigate through to home. This is the home, and then select the setting icon next to in the home box. Now, under the general page settings, you would have to navigate through to URL SLUG session. This is it. URL SLUG session. So on this session, you then type out your new page URL. Alright, currently it's on home, so you can just type out the new page URL that you want. So ensure that there are no spaces between the letters. So once you type it out, a save icon pop up by the top left corner of the screen. Click on save and it will be saved automatically. So for example, if I want to name it as family, okay, that's it, and can save. See, the page URL will be changed automatically. So I'm sure this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.